This how-to is going to be on how to find the location of your VersaCall databases. So some systems, your databases are on the same server as the VersaCall software. Other ones are stored on other servers. This will help you kind of clear up that information so that you know. So this one's going to specifically deal with the VT3000 databases. So basically we're going to go to our core software from the welcome menu. And where we want to go from here is under administration, we want to go to system settings. So we can select that here or go here, system settings. And once we're on the system settings page, what we want is global. So we would click that and we're going to get like a global settings page like this. And essentially what we're interested in is our database location right here. So if you expand this down, it's going to give you the location of the server that it's using for SQL Server. This is the database name, and then it'll have your username and password. These are just X'd out, but it'll have whatever yours are here. Same thing for the configuration database, and same thing for your events database. This is how you would find that information. It may become a panel for a technician, or you may need it for IT. But this will conclude this video on how to find that information. Look forward to talking to you again.